In 1968, when my dad opened his lab in New Bern, it was common to have welders and big equipment for machining, the technologies, with the advancements with plastics and different types of alloys, making everything lighter and more user-friendly. The field has become more sophisticated. We've gone from mechanical, simple knees to knees that are run with computer processors. Over the past 10 or 20 years, our field has really been revolutionary in the changes that have come about. Our practitioners are certified in orthotics, and during that education process, we do a rotation in treating and diagnosing feet. So we are competent in providing orthotics from start to finish, through clinical diagnosis to measurement to fitting. We have access to special shoes for diabetic feet. We also deal with off the shelf running shoes where we put the foot orthotics in to accommodate the patient's feet. We have a central hub in Elizabeth City that provides support in the manufacturing for all of our other companies in Eastern North Carolina and Southeastern Virginia, where we see primarily patient care. So it's almost like a central support system for a lot of outlying satellite facilities. So those facilities enjoy being a full-service orthotic and prosthetic lab. Most of the patients we see are suffering from some kind of peripheral vascular disease for limb loss. Every custom device that we provide for patients is made in the Elizabeth City office. When the patient comes in and they're missing a limb and they're ready to be measured, you're casting them just like you would cast a patient that had a broken limb, except that you remove that dressing once it's rigid. And then we take it back into our lab and our technician will fill that cast with plaster to make the model. You strip the outside out and you have the patient's limb in your lab. And we've literally built the prosthesis over that model so that when the patient comes back in, it's a customized fit. We try to make them as light as possible without sacrificing function. We've gone from providing a prosthesis that allows a patient to walk to providing a prosthesis that allows the patient to walk in a way to where they can rely more on the prosthesis and put less stress on the sound side. So the prostheses are so much more functional that it's allowing the patients to conserve energy and to reduce wear and tear on the sound limb to protect the whole body.